Hello beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel tonight. This is Kendy Jane Beauty. Thank you for joining me. I have a new sneak peek for everybody. I was checking out one of Joe's videos tonight and sure enough there was a sneak peek sitting there. A friend and I were looking at it and I knew she'd spot something if I got her to look at it, and sure enough, sitting on the desk there was something. But before we get into that, I want to show y'all a video of what I'm giving away this month. Take a look at this short little clip here. My ColourPop order came in and these are all the beautiful palettes that are in the August giveaway. I have a green one, a yellow, and the lighting wasn't real good and I filmed it kind of odd, but these are all the different palettes. Look at that center color there in the orange clementine, just gorgeous. There's so much you can do with these palettes. Now this is the, let's see where I'm going here. Okay, Kendy, this looks like the pink one, all the pink shades. Just beautiful, just beautiful. Then this is the purple palette with all the different purple shades. And I love all the names. I really looked at them a long time. I even have the strawberry soda one. That's that one that I'm showing there. That one's the latest one that just came out, and I love it better in person than I did looking at it online. That color right there is gold with some pink reflex in it. It's just beautiful. I thought I had all these colors, but looking at this, I think I need some of these. This blue one is just beautiful. That bottom blue color there, Fine China, is the beautifulest blue. And you can even combine different palettes together. The blue and the green would look gorgeous together. I've seen some awesome looks with these, but I think I have 7 of them here that will be in the giveaway. So if you're interested in getting in this August giveaway, you still have time. I'll put the rules and regulations below this video. All you need to do is really subscribe, set your channel to public or your subscription to public, and that's it. And all you need to do is watch my videos and comment on them. That is your entry. If you really though, you should read all the rules and regulations below so you know all the fine print there and what's going on. But people that have been here with me for a while know how all these videos work. So if you have any questions, just come by on Sunday. I'm having a live at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time this Sunday on August 18th, and you can ask any questions then. But anybody who's watching that doesn't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription box that costs $21 a month. You will see 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty quiz, and these items will be valued at least $100. And once you become a charmer this month, once you subscribe, and you're a new subscriber or someone that had unsubscribed before July 1st, you can get these 2 beautiful gifts or products as a bonus. It's the Butter London palette. It's the Goddess palette. We've gotten this in a box in July. This is valued at $30, and these beautiful brushes, there's 3 Luxie brushes. They're called the Gia set, and these are valued at $32. Just for joining, you'll get this your 2nd month, I was told. You don't get it right away. They want to make sure you join at least 2 months to get the prizes, but it's totally worth it if you want to build your makeup collection. So today when I was looking at Instagram, Joe came on and had a short little clip here. Let me let you watch it and you can see where he was.
Alright, this is the Sunday Riley team in the office. Hey guys, say we're Sunday Riley. Yeah.
Did you see it? Did anybody see a product? Okay, let me show it to you one more time.
Alright, this is the Sunday Riley team in the office. Hey guys, say we're Sunday Riley. Yeah.
My friend and I studied this picture really good. And as you can see behind the screen, there's a blue bottle. And it looks like the Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinol serum. What this is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. It's for skin types normal, dry, combination, and oily. So it gets everybody there. And the skin concerns it takes care of are fine lines and wrinkles, dark spots, and dullness and uneven texture. It's a very, very good, high-powered product that Sunday Riley puts out. You know, if this would ever happen or be in a Boxy pop-up, I would be very excited. And you know, a lot of times I've been doing these sneak peeks for probably about a year and a few months, and a lot of times when you have a sneak peek, it will eventually show somewheres. It could show up at Boxy pop-up, it could show up in Boxy Luxe, or in a regular Boxycharm box. So this is very exciting. It's just a sneak peek though, guys. Sometimes these don't happen, but very rarely, like I said. Usually they come up somewheres. Now I have some great pictures of the Violet Voss palette I want to show you guys. Now this is one of your choices in the Boxy Luxe box. I never seen a good picture like this, and this comes from Boxycharm Sneak Peeks channel. I'm sorry, it's Boxycharm Sneak Peek. I will put her link below the video in case you'd like to subscribe to her on Instagram. But she got this in another box, and look how beautiful these shades are. This is one of our options in the Boxy Luxe. Like I said, the other option is the Tarte Clay Play Face Sculpting Palette, which sells for $45. But guys, isn't this palette amazing? This Violet Voss one, I really, really like it. So I just want to show you these awesome pictures of it. Now, don't get me wrong, I think this Tarte Clay Plate Face Sculpting Palette would be just as good. It's more of a neutral colored palette. The Violet Voss one has little pops of color in it, but this one would be, I think, a workhorse. You'd get a lot of use out of this type palette. I think both of them would be a good everyday type palette. So I think you can't go wrong with these two palettes, whichever one you get. Now, if you already have the Tarte Face palette, maybe you wouldn't want this one, but this is a good travel palette. You wouldn't have to bring that huge Tarte sculpting palette that we got. You could bring this one palette on a trip and have your whole face there. You have bronzing, sculpting, you have eyeshadow, you have blush, you have it all here, highlight, powder. It's a one-stop thing here. It's a multitasker. This is the list of different brands that are supposed to be in the Boxy Luxe this month. We've seen all of them but one, and that is Dr. Brandt. We haven't seen anything said about the Dr. Brandt product. I keep going back to this one list that was given to us by Manny MUA back at Coachella. Now, this was the group of 4 products that he said we would see one of them in the box. Maybe it's one of these. It could be that primer, or it could be maybe that product way on the right. Okay, if you look at this table that Manny had in his room, he said we'd be getting one of these products in our June box. We didn't get it, but we're getting a Dr. Brandt product in our September Boxy Luxe. So could it be one of these? Now, the first product on the left is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion. I think we've already gotten this in a box. I could be mistaken. This is actually to exfoliate and polish your skin, and it sells for $79. The second product here is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refining Primer. This sells for $45. We haven't gotten this one. I really thought this is the one we would see in that box, but it never happened. So it possibly could be that product, I think. The next one is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. And this has also been in a box before. The vacuum cleaner is for clogged pores. Don't think we'll see it again. We've already had that one. And the one way to the right is the Dr. Brandt Needles No More Wrinkle Smoothing Cream. We've never seen this in a box. It's a very expensive. Could this be the product? I'm leaning more toward the primer because there was other pictures of the primer during the time of Coachella. So hopefully we might see that one. It looks like a great primer. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. I would love to try this primer out, but the wrinkle serum, I need that. Believe me, my skin can use some of that wrinkle serum. So we'll just have to wait and see. I just want to remind everybody that I do have a Patreon now, and I'm sorry I had the link that I put under the last few videos had an error in it. It was not the right link. I have corrected it, but I just wanted to show everyone what the 2 tiers are. The $5 elite group of Bendy Babes will have special Patreon only giveaways. You'll have access to my private Kendy Jane Beauty Discord. You'll receive personal emails from me whenever I put up a sneak peek. I always send an email out letting you know, hey, I'm getting ready to put up a video if you want to watch it. And I will also remind everyone on this list when we have a boxy pop-up or anything I think that is pertinent to know. And I give you shout outs at the end of every video, and I will offer you more things as time goes on. Now, that one is $5 and up. And I also decided to offer a creator level. Now, this is going to be very limited. I'm not going to take many of these, and I'm going to be very selective at who I take. I will tell you if I don't think I can help you. But if I do take on someone and do this, I will put a lot of my time into it. So this tier to be a creator, Bendy Babe in that group, is $25 or more donation per month. And this is reserved for those who have or want to start a channel or have a channel. And I will give you hands-on, basically, suggestions on how I think your channel can grow. We're going to talk about goals. We're going to try to reach those goals together. I will give you different suggestions. I will also tell you how I do certain things. It's not a sub for sub program. You want organic makeup type people to subscribe to you. You don't want to just get any kind of subscribers. It'll be a one-on-one phone type guidance. I'll talk to you on the phone several times a month trying to reach these goals. You'll also get all the first level benefits. You'll get a special creator-owned Discord channel to talk to other creators that I'm friends with that could possibly help you. And once a month, I'll spotlight you on my live programs and we'll let everybody know what your channel is all about. We'll open it up for suggestions. We'll try to have everybody look at one of your videos and see, really try to give some creative criticism to try to really help you. But like I said, I won't take many of these, so because I'm pretty limited on time as it is, and I want to devote as much time as I can to somebody and not just say I'm helping you. I really want to help people. Thank you all for watching tonight. This was a last-minute video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you all for joining me tonight, and I'll see you Sunday at the live. Bye. Take care. Mwah.